This video is about Virabhadrasana 1 or Warrior 1, and we're going to go over the basics and the benefits of the pose. Warrior 1 can help with sciatica. It can help strengthen the thigh, back, arms, shoulders, and the calves. It stretches the thorax, ankles, arms, lungs, the neck, abdomen, and shoulders. We can begin by starting off in Tadasana, the traditional standing mountain pose, and we want to try and get our legs at least 3.5 to 4 feet apart. So you can either step your feet out or jump them out, whatever you're most comfortable with. We'll start by having the left toes pointed straight forward and then take the right toes and turn them out. We want to try and line the torso up with the short side of the mat. So the right toes are pointed straight forward. Line the front heel up with the back heel or arch, whatever you're comfortable with. And this back foot can be at a 45 or 90 degree angle. Just depends on your body shape and type. We want to turn the chest so that it lines up with the short side of the mat. Make sure you can see your big toe. Try to get that ankle. Bring the arms up to line up with the ears and bring the shoulders back. You want to try and reach through the pinky side. You can lift your torso up, pull the coccyx down towards the floor. Arms are lined up with the ears. Maybe put your hands in prayer position. You can look up at your hands. And when we're in this posture, you want to have this back leg very active. We're lifting up the arch. We're putting a lot of the weight in the pinky toe side of this foot. Try to bring the shoulder blades back and down your back. And hold this posture for 30 seconds to a minute at the very least. Just gazing up at the hands, trying to lunge a little bit further into the posture. Keep lifting up that back arch. Try pulling the coccyx in, opening up the chest, lifting the chest up, the rib cage up off of the spine. Good job. Drop the arms down. Straighten that right leg. Lift up on the foot. Pivot it forward and then pivot that left foot out. Double check your feet. Make sure that the heel is still lined up with the back heel or arch. The left toes need to be pointed straight off to the side so that it's parallel with the long edge of the mat. Line the heel up with the back heel or arch. Have the back toes at a 45 or 90 degree angle, whatever you're comfortable with. Everybody's made differently. Try to get the chest lined up with the short side of the mat. Bring the arms up to line up with the ears. Lunge into the pose. Make sure you're keeping that knee open so you can see your big toe. Firm up this back leg. Really activate this leg so that you're putting a lot of the weight in the pinky toe side as you lift up that back arch. Have the gaze right in front of you. Pull the coccyx down, shoulder blades come back and down. Lift the chest up off of the spine. And if you can, bring your hands to prayer position, maybe looking up at the hands. Maybe lunge a little deeper into the pose. If that doesn't feel good on your neck, by all means, keep your gaze neutral. Maybe open up your chest a little bit. A modification is to have your hands right at prayer position. That's probably best if you have high blood pressure too. Just hold this posture for 30 seconds to a minute. Good job. Straighten the leg. Lift up the left foot, pivot it forward, and then just walk your feet back together. Good job, you did it. Now you have a better idea of how Warrior 1 goes. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.